Hi, I'm just going to be talking about Becky Lord's mathematical website where she has PD called Decoding Part 1 and Part 2. I took both parts. One's addition and subtraction, I think. One's multiplication, division, fractions, decimals, place value. It's really great. I think it's aimed at intervention more, but it's great for general teachers as well. I've blurred some of her slides just because I don't want to get in copyright problems, but I really encourage you to take the workshop, even though it's expensive. I just learned an incredibly large amount. She works with a lot of manipulatives that I've never really worked with before, and I just think it's a really explicit visual program. So I'm just going to show you some slides and maybe just talk about them. I know you can't see them very clearly. So she does a lot of work with Cuisenaire rods and talks about the 4 meanings of multiplication. So here she's showing 4 times 3 with the Cuisenaire rods. And I'm just going to put a bit of a slideshow on. Here she's showing you strategies for times 9 using times 10, and that's really, she does a lot of great strategies. Here she's showing you I think the commutative property. Here she's showing you partial product. She splits the Cuisenaire rods. Maybe this is 8 times 7 and she's splitting it by 8 times 5. She uses a ton of these dot cards for decomposition of numbers in all workshops. Here she, I think this is division, where she's talking about the 4 meanings of division. Again, here's an example of the dot cards that she sells, and you can print them from her site. She does division and the 4 meanings of division, and she uses the Cuisenaire rods for that. I think here she's doing division, and she's using the Newton cubes. This is one of her strategies that she uses for basic multiplication facts. This is the 5s. She has amazing strategies. These are the cluster cards that she also sells on her site. Great for visualization. More cluster cards. The arrangements differ for each number, so it really gives them a good practice. Just showing you more cluster cards. I think that's the end, but I will review. This just shows you how she shows the decomposition of the numbers. I will come back with addition and subtraction. Thank you.